guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video let's to see how to mount the control unit on our model helicopter. Okay, so have a first step to preparing the surface before fixing our flybarless unit. With alcohol to go to clean both surface.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
We will go now to mount the double side adhesive on our control unit, and we press very well to make it adhere to both surface that we have previously cleaned.
Bring the funk back.
Very well, now we are going to connect the various cables, starting from the back to the telemetry cable to get to the RPM sensor cable, and lastly our servos. We'll connecting everything respecting the manual of our control unit to the page dedicated to the specific model of our control unit, okay?
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me.
Okay guys, for this video is all. If you like this video, I invite you to like it, subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay tuned to our next news. Thanks for watching, have a nice flight and happy landings. See you soon.
Bring the funk back.